Hey, Creator Chrissy. I got a different camera today because my phone is charging. And this one doesn't pause, so. Well, if it does, I haven't figured it out yet. So I'm probably not going to record the whole thing of me decluttering. So today is day 9 of my Declutter and Organize 31-day challenge to myself. So today I'm going to do my junk room so that it is no longer a junk room. I want to use this room. And I can't use this room because I just keep piling crap in here. And more crap. And more crap. And more crap. Like that's a suitcase table I need to fix. Now that I got that part done, I just need to get shorter screws. Those are going to be for this wall. It's going to be a wall of shelves made out of barn board. My husband scored an awesome deal on some old barn wood. Got a lot of farmers around where I live here in Pennsylvania, and a lot of them are dismantling barns, and I guess just building new ones, and they'll put their wood out with not even a for sale sign. You just walk up and say, hey, how much do you want for that? And he got a whole bunch of it. Really, really dirt cheap. So I'm not going to bore you with me cleaning, but I will do an after video and show you some of the ways that I organize in here. So I can't even go upstairs. And that's my attic. And I got to get that covered up for the winter so all my heat doesn't go up there. And that lovely, lovely little shelf is going to be going downstairs into the basement for all of my antique booth stuff. Instead of storing it up here, I'll bring it up here if I need to tag it, bag it, fix it. So I want to organize this. That was from my desk that I gave my daughter, which used to be a vanity that I refinished. I got some candles I want to make and put in the shop, and some candles I'm going to make to give away for Christmas presents, because I actually really like making candles. So, my little New Orleans souvenir spells my name, Chris. I loved it. That guy was so cool. And my awesome dad's drawing from the 70s. I love my daddy. Okay, so enough chit chat. Let's get this crap going. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. And don't forget, please like and subscribe down below. Later.